Yes, hello, uh, fellow subscribers. Good day, good time, wherever you're watching me from. It's high time for us to unravel what we have before us here at this point in time. Laboratory procedure on the qualitative test on edible palm oil. Yes, let's see how we. First of all, one of the very basic, easy physical approach for us to undertake is to observe the take cognizance of the visual inspection. Is to undertake or register the visual how the appearance of this oil, and here we are to assess the physical appearance of the oil, as I've said. So the main procedure here is to pour a small quantity of the oil into a clean dry beaker, then observe the color for its how it's supposed to be, for its clarity and the presence of impurities. So of course the expected result should be that the pure palm oil should be reddish, should be reddish orange and clear in appearance. Then cloudiness or sediments definitely will indicate contamination or spoilage. Odor test, this is to detect any off odors that may indicate rancidity or adulteration. So the procedure is to take a small amount of oil in a beaker, then warm it gently, slightly not too above 40 degrees centigrade, and sense the odor, smell it. If there's anything contrary to how the natural oil should be, so it is questionable. So expected result should be that the pure palm oil should have a characteristic pleasant nutty aroma, and a rancid or unusual smell definitely will indicate spoilage or adulteration. Then specific gravity test, which is to determine the density of the palm oil, which can indicate purity. So the apparatus required should be specific gravity bottle or hydrometer or pycnometer, then a chemical or analytical balance. So the procedure should be to fill the specific gravity bottle with distilled water and weigh it. Empty and fill the bottle with palm oil, then weigh again. Then calculate, make a calculation for your specific gravity. So the expected result should be a typical specific gravity for a palm oil by standard. Yes, by standard should be 0.8991 to 0.899 at a room temperature of 30 degrees centigrade. So saponification test, which is to confirm the presence of triglycerides of the fat and oil. So here are the reagents required, and the procedure, which is to add 5 ml of alcoholic potassium hydroxide to 1 ml of palm oil in a test tube, then further heat gently for 5 to 10 minutes in a water bath. Then there will be an addition of 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. So this will then be titrated. This will be titrated against the dilute hydrochloric acid until the pink color that appeared initially disappears. So this tells us the rate and the grade of the presence of triglycerides. So expected result should be that the presence of fat confirmed, it will be confirmed by consumption of alkali and the titration. So the ratings, the size or the figure that we will achieve at the end of the day will give us that indicator. Then the acid test, which is the free fatty acid test, which is to determine the free fatty acid test as an indicator of spoilage. So the reagents are as listed. Then the procedure, which is to dissolve 5 grams of palm oil in 50 ml of neutral alcohol. We warm gently and add a few drops of phenolphthalein. Titrate with 0.1 normality or molarity, as the case may be, of sodium hydroxide until the faint pink color persists. So make a calculation for acid value using the relationship that is on the slide here. Then the test for adulteration with solubility test, which is always between making use of alcohol and sulfuric acid. So the two reagents or solution are mixed up. So 5 ml of palm oil with 5 ml of alcohol and 1 ml of sulfuric acid. So these three ratio of mixture is being achieved and to be well shaken. So the expected result is to achieve a pure palm oil that will dissolve completely inside this system, and the mineral oil separate or causes cloudiness. If it is a bad oil, it separates and or it causes cloudiness. So another test is color reaction test, which is Bardouin test for oil adulteration. Here we need 2% sucrose solution in HCl, and the procedure is as follows. And the expected results should be that a red color will always confirms good oil. As shown there, a red color will confirms good quality oil. At this point, I want to thank you for watching. Subscribe and like and share and comment as well, as we continue to educate ourselves on how things should be put in place. Thank you.